Hello YouTube. Here in San Marcos, California for the opening day of the bike park.
What's up guys, I'm Bubba Warren here. Grand opening of the San Marcos Bradley Park Bike Park. Got the privilege to be a part of this opportunity for the city. It's been a long time coming, about 5 months of building. Had a long time of packing and fixing a lot of this park. It rained a lot. We chose to do it during the winter, but pretty much the process coming into this was Devin Schneider gave me a call. Long history of knowing him for riding motorcycles and pretty much people knowing me for building really perfect sculpted jumps. That's what I love to do, always hand build them. And he kind of was like, you know what, this is a great opportunity, building with Eddie Reynolds, his first build too. So I built a lot of pump tracks, moto, downhill, dual slalom, all crankworks events. So I've had a lot of experience over this last, I turned pro at 16, so now I'm 30, so I think I want to say I've had some experience, but definitely over time, you're always learning. I'm not going to say I never learned everything, but I learn every day. Seeing this, the progression, we have 5 lines from small to like double black, I guess they put on that. I just saw that, so that's pretty cool. They got some signs on that, but people are loving it. This is a cool park. I'm just excited to finally be open. It's been a long time coming. I know the city has had, I think, 5 years of planning. So they gave us a plan. We pretty much sat here and was like, we're changing everything. And
this is pretty much the best part on the West Coast so far.
I would say close, yeah. I mean, there's the design to just riding, the ability to be able to transfer and always progress is there, and the way we built the jumps is that like a common man still can flow right through it, but then if we want to go, the pros want to just boost, you can still boost and it pops you right up. So they're not big gaps, they're just, you can go up and do fun stuff off of them. So that's the coolest part about it. And honestly, just the progression of seeing already kids that are working from the small line and already going to the middle line, it's like, it's going to learn, I think it's just going to progress a lot of people going to the next level, and you're going to see it.
It's a good thing
hopefully,
for the mountain biking in the US.
Yeah, that, and just, I mean, I think, yeah, we're going to see a lot of new kids coming out. I mean, it was cool to have Chula Vista. That was the first stepping stone, but now this is out. We've learned a lot from that park and seen how it's kind of degraded to itself and how it's worked into what it is. We did a lot of packing. There was compaction, water flow, and sitting out literally right here and just like with a leveling stick and just making sure everything, water is going to be flowing. Like if it wasn't, I had to sit there and repack it for the next 3 hours. So it was a lot of work, but honestly, it's totally worth it because this park's here to stay and there's going to be a lot more coming. So I can't wait. So it's good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hope you guys see you out here soon. Woo!